Hi, Windows 10 has done a lot to protect your computer, many different security features. But if you have a regular home computer, there is no need with restricting someone's access to its administration. Everyone in the house uses it calmly, then why do you need passwords at the sign-in page? Perhaps you're wondering how to remove the password so that the computer just turns on and that's it. Also, I don't need password when PC comes out of standby or sleep mode. Let's do this. I will show you two methods, both very simple. And at the same time I will tell you a little about the benefits of a Microsoft account. So the first thing you need to understand about passwords in Windows is that there are two types of accounts. A local account, a name and password that you set locally, only on your specific computer. And there is a Microsoft account. You register it on the Microsoft website. This can be done during the installation of Windows also, and then using the account login to the system when the computer turns on. You can't just remove the password in it, but there are pluses. You can use several computers with one account and some settings will be transferred between them. For example, the desktop background and the theme. And this is where your licenses are stored. Microsoft admits what license you have on your computer. Of course, if you have a normal licensed Windows. For example, I have Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. To change sign-in settings, open the Start and click on your avatar and change account settings. Sign-in options tab. If you have a Microsoft account, you cannot delete the password, but you can add a PIN code. It is much faster than a password. However, this doesn't suit us. We will still achieve our goal. So first, delete the PIN code if you have one. Second, at the top select Require sign-in, Never. And the third, open the Start, write the command netpl with, uncheck the Require username and password, apply and OK. Here you will need to enter your account password 2 times. That's it, we restart the computer and it should no longer ask you for a password. If something is wrong, try to repeat these steps again. Now the computer turns on with unnecessary sign-in screens and searching for letters on the keyboard. There is an even easier way. Open the account settings. On the first tab, Your Info, looking for the line Login instead with the local account. You need to enter the Microsoft account password. And now we indicate the name, if it is not already. If there is, we leave it. Leave the passwords blank. And the last step is to log out and finish the job. Now the sign-in is carried out without a password and Windows will boot without this screen. If you succeed, you can thank you with a like and a comment. If you want other useful tips on Windows 10 and more, watch the PCNP channel, subscribe and click on the bell. See you on the air.